This video is all about how to make a triple crochet. And again, start with your slip knot. And I'm not even going to count my chains for this one, just for fun. Just going to make a random number here. Now, if you have a pattern that's starting with triple crochets, it will give you a certain number of chains plus 3. And the 3, that's the plus 3, ends up being your first triple crochet. So then you go to the 4th chain from the hook. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4. Start with your yarn over, but you're going to yarn it over twice now. Go into your 4th chain, bring up a loop, yarn it over, pull through 2, yarn it over, pull through 2, yarn it over, and pull through 2. And do that again. Yarn it over twice, insert your hook, bring up a loop, yarn it over and pull through 2, yarn it over, pull through 2, yarn it over, and pull through 2. And again, twice. Keep on practicing your triple crochet until you're comfortable with it and until you feel confident. You can always rewind this video, or you can always just keep on practicing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the box below.